Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a sample problem from the ACT math test that involves the Pythagorean theorem. I recommend pausing this video and solving the problem on your own, then comparing your solution with mine. Alright, let's solve this problem. A robot starts at point A and moves 11 meters east, 9 meters north, 15 meters west, and 6 meters south to reach point B. If the robot could move directly from point A to point B using the shortest distance, how many meters less would it have to travel? Well, starting from point A, our robot moves 11 meters east, 9 meters north, 15 meters west, and 6 meters south to reach point B. The shortest path between these 2 points is the direct line connecting the points A and B. We can complete our sketch by creating a right triangle between the points A and B. The edges of the right triangle can be calculated by the difference between the horizontal movements, so 15 minus 11 gives us 4, and the difference between the vertical movements, so 9 minus 6 gives us 3. The third edge can be calculated by the Pythagorean theorem, so we write the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared equals square root of 25, which equals 5. Be careful, we are not done yet, so the answer is not 5. We want to find the difference between the path already traveled and the shortest path. So we should calculate the difference between the path already traveled, which is 11 plus 9, 20, plus 15, 35, plus 6, 41, minus the shortest path, 5, which gives us 36, and that's it. The answer is E. Great. That's a typical problem you may encounter on the ACT math test that involves applying the Pythagorean theorem. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.